As a question, let me ask one simple thing which has been asked many times. Is it necessary that even technical subjects like atomic energy or the defense or even education should be managed only by the general civil servants and not by academics or experts in a particular area? Thank you.
Thank you. So let me respond to this question, because I've always felt that it's a question which has come so many times in the Agriculture Ministry, because we have and let's understand, you see, you have the Agriculture Ministry, you have the Agriculture Commissioner, you have the Horticulture Commissioner, you have the Dairying Commissioner, and you have the political leadership. Actually, the right combination is that the political leadership has to give the political vision, we have to give the administrative detail, and obviously it's only the Agriculture Commissioner and the Horticulture Commissioner and the Dairying Commissioner who will say what has to be done where. So actually there's no conflict in the real sense of the term between the technical head, the bureaucratic head and the political head. The main challenge again goes back to, postings, transfers, patronage and those things. But in the structure of things, if it is followed well, I mean, I am nobody in the Agriculture Ministry to advise which variety of maize should be grown or which variety of, sugarcane should be grown, or whether we should go in for, this or that. But yes, when it comes to whether a new technology like genetically modified seeds have to be brought into the country, now that is not just a technical decision. That's a decision which will have political implications, and that's a decision which will have administrative implications, that's a decision which will have a lot of finance implications. That is where all of them have to come together. So even if it is shown that GM crops are good, that decision to introduce India to GM is certainly a political decision. It's not for the technocrat, it's not for the bureaucrat, but the technocrat must put his point of view, the bureaucrat must put his point of view in terms of what is the outflow by importing these seeds, what are the long-term implications of not having your own seed. So it's a combination of these three things, sir, which will be ideal. But that ideal does not often exist. That's the way I would respond to your question, sir.